If you need to download files from Hostinger File Manager, whether it's a website backup, an image, a document, or an entire folder, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to find the right file, and how to download it safely to your computer. And if you like clear, beginner-friendly tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the main menu and click on Websites. This will show you all of the websites connected to your Hostinger account. Find the site you want to work with and then click Dashboard or Manage next to that website. This opens the control panel for that specific site. Now that you're in the website dashboard, look for the File section in the left-hand sidebar. Under that menu, click File Manager. Hostinger will now open the file management area for your site. If prompted, click Access Files of your domain. This takes you directly into the file system for that hosting account. Inside File Manager, you'll see your website folders and files listed in a directory structure. A common place to start is the public/HTML folder, since that usually contains the main files for your website. You can click into folders to navigate deeper until you find the exact file or folder you want to download. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct item before downloading. Once you've found the file or folder, click it once to highlight or select it. After that, look at the top menu toolbar and find the download icon, which is usually shown as a downward arrow. Click that icon and Hostinger will begin downloading the selected file to your computer. If you prefer, there's also another way to do it. You can right-click the file or folder, then choose Download from the context menu. This is a useful alternative if you find it easier to use the right-click options instead of the toolbar buttons. After you click Download, the file will save directly to your device, just like any other browser download. If it's a folder, Hostinger may package it before downloading, so everything stays together. Once the download is complete, you can open it from your Downloads folder and use it however you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to download files from Hostinger File Manager in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Hostinger tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.